why I only buy problem properties. A repossessed property is usually the lender's last resort. Big Victorian type houses that have been split into multiple units that are being sold as one block might be a good opportunity. Mortgage lenders don't like uninhabitable properties as they represent poor security. Number 8. Lots of work involved. Properties that require a lot of work can also put off normal residential buy-to-let investors, even properties that are mortgageable. Examples include the following. Hoarders. I have seen properties whereby you couldn't even see inside the rooms or safely walk around inside the house as there was so much stuff. This instantly puts off a lot of buyers as they can't see what they are buying. Gardens. Sometimes the work required in the garden can be more than the work required in the house. This was definitely the case in one property I viewed. I lost count of the number of sheds and outbuildings as well as ponds and even a well. Mention the words subsistence, underpinning, dry rot, wet rot, asbestos. Most buyers, even experienced investors, seem to die inside. Subsistence is when the ground beneath a property sinks, pulling the property's foundations down with it. The main signs of subsistence can be cracks in the walls, as you won't be able to see what's going on below the ground. Cracks that appear and continue to grow, reaching a depth of 50 millimeters or more, should be investigated to make sure the property is structurally sound. Heave is essentially subsistence in reverse. The most common cause of heave is when the soil beneath the house becomes saturated with water and has nowhere to escape, often because a mature tree near the property has been removed or died. Property problem number 9. Too expensive. A house or flat in prime central London which might be struggling to sell, but there is scope to reconfigure the apartment from a 1-bedroom into a 2-bedroom apartment and split the house into multiple flats. When added together would be worth more than the house itself. If you like this video, please smash that like button and hit subscribe so that you get notified when I release another video. Make sure you are subscribed, as I will pick a subscriber at random and have a 10-minute chat with you to see how I can help you on your property investing journey. Let me know if you have any comments down below and I will do a video answering all your questions. Please check out my personal website ravinderaudular.com, where I have lots of free videos on property investing and service accommodation. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.